Welcome to the topic 1 of 1 week online course on artificial intelligence, which is arranged from 1st December 2020 to 7 December 2020. In this first topic, we will discuss about the introduction to the Python programming. The sample 1 week program has been arranged as a sample program for FIP3 arranged by HRDC Hyderabad. So let's look the overview. In this topic 1, we will discuss about history of the Python programming, then installation and running the Python program, some sample code and the description about that code. So let's look the history of Python programming. The Python was invented in Netherlands in early 90s by it is named after the name of the Monty Python. It is open source from the beginning. It is designed as open source. It is considered as scripting language, but it is not only the scripting language. Python has have such a great power that it doesn't limit to a scripting language. It is scalable, object oriented, functional from the beginning. Lots of the major industries like Google use the Java scripting and Java programming. It is increasingly day by day. So let's look how to run the Python programs. uh, Python program can be both compiled or interpreted. So let's look how Python interpreters can be used to run the Java programs. The Python interpreters typical implementation offer both the interpreted and compiled. The interactive interface to the Python with a real eval print loop. Real eval print loop or some interpreter commands can be used to run. The code has some map, square, 1 2 3 4, like map then square are some functions, and these commands can be used to run the Java program. Then let's look how to install the not Java, Python. Let's look how to install Python on different operating system. Some operating system has pre-installed Python like Linux, Mac OS. Some operating system has to be installed it by our side manually. It may require updations also. The site for the downloading Python is python.org. There are several options in IDE, integrated development environment, which can be useful in the program development and developing web pages, web applications and so on in the Python programming. Python has great larger standard libraries of the module, which can be program designing of the program and designing of the web applications. So let's look a sample program. This program is written is a code which can be used in which can be written in the Python programming. Here the variables xyz has different values. The variable x, that is 34 minus 23, variable y has string value hello, variable z has a fractional value 3.45, and the and a condition if z equals to 3.45 or y equals to string value hello. If this one of these condition will occur, then the program will continue for the next code, and print statement will print the appropriate results. The print statements will print the results. If condition true, then some other results will be printed, and condition false, then some other result will be printed. The code description is given here. So this is all about the some introduction about Python programming. Let's stop here. Thank you for listening me patiently.